Thinking about buying your dream home in 2025 but not sure how to save enough money to make it happen?
Stick around because today we're sharing 5 actionable tips to get you on the fast track to homeownership.
I'm Elias.
And I'm Alejandra with Empire Fine Homes.
Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with someone that you know that's saving for their first home as well.
Your support helps us create more content to guide you through your real estate journey.
Our first tip, automate your savings. Set up a direct deposit from your paycheck into a separate savings account dedicated to your house fund.
This way, savings becomes effortless and you won't be tempted to spend that money.
Next, take a hard look at your budget. Where can you cut unnecessary expenses? Maybe skip that daily latte or switch to a more affordable streaming plan.
And don't forget to save 3 to 6 months of expenses. It is a game changer for staying financially stable during your home buying process.
Also, did you know that a better credit score can save you thousands on your mortgage? Check your credit report and work on improving it.
And prioritize paying off high interest debt. The less debt you have, the easier it is to qualify for a mortgage and manage those monthly payments.
Got a tax refund or a bonus? Instead of splurging, put it straight into your house fund.
And consider earning extra income. A side hustle like freelancing or babysitting can make a big difference.
Finally, look into down payment assistance programs. Many offer grants or forgivable loans based on your income and location.
A good real estate agent can guide you through these options, saving you time and money.
Saving for a home might feel overwhelming, but with these 5 tips and a solid plan, you'll be closer to your goal than you think.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And if you're ready to start your home buying process, reach out to us. We would love to help.